How to use Watch Together in Messenger. So before, there used to be a little feature in Messenger calls where you could just open up this button over here, and then you could start sharing a specific video. So you search up the video and it pops out whatever video you want, or whatever video is available. Of course, you search it up and it will pop out. But this time it has been switched into this, which is a share screen. You can watch videos together or share content. Basically the same thing as before. So to use this, just go ahead and press on start sharing. It's going to make you choose either a single app or the entire screen. So if you go ahead for the single app, it's gonna make you choose an app that is already open in your device. So make sure it's already open as well. If you wanna go for the entire screen, it's just gonna press on start and immediately start recording. So right here, we're in the other side of the call, and basically we will be able to see everything that is being shown on the other side of the screen, which is basically just their entire screen. So if you want to show them a video or basically something else, just go ahead and open it up. Maybe you want to show them a YouTube video, just go ahead and open up YouTube, and you can watch it directly from both screens. But that's pretty much how you use that feature in Messenger. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.